you jumped out of my dreams. Pretty eyes so wise and pristine. I couldn't ask for more than the day you came to my door. Open eyes cause I couldn't believe that you were right in front of me. Feeling pushed right through my heart. Fireworks lit right from the start. Got me on cloud 9.
You know what, guys? I think I'm going to show you how to make this mac and cheese. We're doing a pound of pasta, salantini, I don't know, whatever it is. It's like sort of like elbow, but it's not. It's like rigatoni kind of, sort of. Spirals, yeah. Anyway, we got 4 eggs here. We have 2 containers of evaporated milk. They're going into here. Another can of this evaporated milk, and these cans are 5 ounces. 5 ounces. Michelle's grating cheese. The key to delicious macaroni and cheese is not using just one cheese. We like to use a variety. We're going to use white cheddar, yellow cheddar, sharp cheddar, extra sharp cheddar, American, and some Asiago cheese. And we like to use Cooper Sharp, but they don't have any, so that's what we're using. Gonna mix all this up. Once the noodles are finished over here, we're just gonna add butter to the pan, and I think it's 1 stick of butter to the noodles, and we'll melt that, and then we just add this conglomeration that we're mixing up right now to it, and then add the cheese until it's all melted. And salt and pepper, and a little bit of powdered mustard, ground mustard, powdered mustard, ground, whatever. That goes in there too, and that's just like a little pinch, not a whole lot. Yeah, it's super easy to make. She's still cutting the cheese. And the noodles are still boiling. We're getting there. Yes, we're getting there. By the way, the refrigerator so far is working fantastic. We are very happy. Now we won't get food poisoning. Well, Michelle is cooking, but you know. Ooh, she threw something at me, guys. You missed it. She did. Noodles are out of the pot. Oh, yeah. Gotta throw the butter in now. I got it. The butter is going in the pot. Very hot still. I'll turn that down. Woo, that's hot. Alright, I gotta put this down. I turn it down. Going to coat the noodles with the butter. I may have browned the butter just a tad bit. A tad bit. A little bit more butter. Two teaspoons of salt. No, we don't have turns. Yeah, you can do that if we have one. Melt that little piece of butter. 2 teaspoons of salt. Alright, I think we're ready for that mixture. What about the mustard? Do we have mustard here? Some black pepper. How much mustard was that, dear?
We'll say about 1
1 1/4 teaspoons of ground mustard. And now we're going to pour our mixture in. Mix that all up really good. Okay, now we're going to add the cheese concoction to the macaroni concoction mixture. Concoction is the word of the day for me. Set this down again. Check this out. There is so much cheese in here. If you guys could smell this. Okay, I gotta show you guys this. Just about all the cheese is melted. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. Oh yeah.